Yo, hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in once again to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about the E90 and the M4 style front bumper. So yo, big shout out to Hollywood Auto Sales and Repair for this good job right here. So stay tuned to see the details of what happened and what went down. The Hollywood Auto. What name? Hollywood Auto Sport. Hollywood doing a great job. One piece of the bumper come off already. Hollywood Autos and what do you call the place again? Auto Repair. Sorry for the breeze, people, but yeah, we are here working. Well, he doing most of the work. I'm just videoing. I don't feel like getting myself dirty, you know. No, just a little bit. Stage one, bumper getting pulled off. The only guy I know that needs to work and have a seat.
That's right.
Alright, so we have this screw, and then the whole bunch underneath.
When the bumper is released.
But not different speed. Oh shit. Good job. You have a magnet?
Nope.
I don't know if you guys just saw that, but you just drop the bit down in there somewhere. You see? Got it? My fingers are smaller than yours, if I could reach. Let you do it, because if you drop it, then you know it's not your
magnet
fault.
tips too, sir.
Oh, see, this guy's fancy. Yo, after all this quarantine thing done, it's kind of a good detail, man.
Should stop in there.
Alright. 2.
Here I come with love but not hatred.
So he's an auto body man, also an artist now. I'm not giving him a deal. Alright, bumpers off. You gotta take this headlight off to change it for the customized one. Let's get started with that until he brings back the next cover of the new.
done. can't do this like this. I need both hands to do it. Now, don't attempt this at home. I'm a professional. But this is how you attempt to weld plastic. I don't know that first really actually.
You're trying to think.
Mr. My cousin them do it all the while. Say, yo, you don't know, so you can't weld plastic, weld bumper. See, weld a bumper together one time. So when I feel good, so he teach me something.
Eh? You want to change all type of shape.
Should I throw some water for sure?
Yeah, so don't know, so this video everything was shot. I did the intro today, and I guess you're gonna say the outro today. So I might give you a little, how to say, the little montage, the clips and stuff like that of the bumper on the ride, looking sweet and clean. You see me? So yeah, like I said again, Hollywood Autosports, big up and enough respect. Give me a minute. Answer my phone, yes, sir. So far, I'm very happy with the bumper. Car looks way more aggressive, so that's a plus. So now my search starts to get, you know, a wonderful lip for this machine here. So any sponsors or anybody will know a nice lip that will fit this M4 style E90 bumper. I was thinking to try to get an M4, actual M4 lip, and then I guess modify it to adjust it so it can fit, or just try it out. But the whole thing is you just don't want to buy it and then have to go modify and try it and it don't work out. So yo, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Boom, boom.